Be happy.
I'm going through a lot right now.
You're wasting film.
Sorry.
Why is there water everywhere?
The break-in did not go to plan.
Regan, what are you doing? We're supposed to be working on the RAMCharger, bud. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
How many cups of coffee is that?
This is 4. Big block hour. You just handed those two.
This is Regan's POV right now.
It's really rowdy. All right, guys, we're on the final stage before our first fire up here.
We're ready.
All right, Regan, are you ready, sir?
Are we ready?
This is your baby. How does it feel to give birth, Regan?
Regan, how do you feel right now? Tell me.
I feel pretty good. It's nice to hear it. Little in shock because 2.5 years of just building this thing, so.
Great job.
Adrian, good way to hold it down on
Yeah,
fire safety.
he's hanging.
What's up, guys? So this is where we're at. This is it. We're gonna break this in a couple minutes here. We have everything set up, ready to go. We have our fans, we have our fire extinguisher. The spars is here with the timing light. So we're gonna run this thing for 20 minutes, dial it in, break in the valve train, and see how it goes. PJ, we're boiling over.
1 hour later.
It's hard again.
I believe we have something going wrong with the cooling system.
Sounded awesome.
Just didn't stay cool.
No. Air out the shop for a little bit. It got smoky. All right, guys, we are 1 week out from Dino coming to see this thing for the first time. Obviously, still a lot of work to do, so we're gonna be really just putting the pedal to the metal, trying to get everything done. We're getting close, just a few more things to do, and then we'll be driving it for the first time, probably by the end of the week. That's the goal. So we've had our win still, and we're getting real close. We're on that just final home stretch here, so just need to get past these little trials of the end of 2025 and get through it and get this thing to its winner.
We're currently working on getting this thing fired and idling on the FTEC. We had to make a few adjustments to our settings, so we're working on getting those adjusted in. Regan, it runs!
First try.
First try, baby, on the FTEC. Well, that was cool.
It's actually part steam engine.
Dude, did you see that nitrous purge?
Heard it's a locomotive now. It's not as loud as I expected, which is good.
So I'm watching the coolant temp, make sure this thing doesn't boil over. We got the RPM down a little bit by backing off like some timing and some throttle to let it learn a little bit. Everything looks good so far.
Yeah, I think there's a blown seal in the master internally. Probably why we can't bleed the rear. Well, that one won't bolt in, the spacing's different.
As I said, every time we think we're on the home stretch, another thing.
Oh, baby!
Yep.
Oh! Everything's here.
This nice little RM cap, courtesy of our good friend Javier Evans CNC.
Doing great. Love it up here.
Who tightened these down?
It was you yesterday.
I'm the asshole.
After many trials and tribulations, this is it. The maiden voyage of the RAMCharger. This has been years in the making.
Dude, it is fast, dude.
It's rowdy.
Stupid rowdy,
it's
dude.
really rowdy.
Heck yeah, dude! Dude.
We have some things to fix. It didn't shift, and then we need to figure out some steering stuff because it's for starters, it turns further left than right. So I think the stabilizer's bottoming out. But that was sick.
It's a 10, man. Like it's powerful. Like everything's pretty smooth. It rides like a truck, like a lifted truck, but pretty nice all in all. Like taking it actually out on the street, it was going good. Like everything felt good. Brakes are stopping it, which was our last concern. No weird real noises or clunks or rattles.
All right, now we get the final stretch here. We're gonna tighten down a few things, a few last adjustments, and then hopefully we'll be ready for Dino in the morning.
All right, well today is the day. It's January 6th. We've been talking to Dino for quite some time, but it's time to give you your prize. I know you haven't decided on what your actual prize is gonna be. What are your choices again?
Truck or 30 grand.
Truck or 30 grand, so those are still your choices. Which way are you leaning right now?